2-axis known as y-axis and the x-axis. And next, integers. Integers are of two types: the positive integers and the negative integers, and the zero in the middle, which is neither positive nor negative. And coming to the parts of the circle. Here, the chord, which passes through the circle and has its two endpoints on the circumference of the circle. The diameter, which is the largest chord passing through the center. Here, it is the line of the chord is known as the segment. And radius is here we have radius, right? So radius is which the line passing from the center to any point of the circumference. These are the parts of the circle. And here we have the linear pair of the angles. Linear pair of the angles, when we mix the two angles, we will get the 180 degrees. Those are the linear pair of angles. Here we have the angles of the triangles. Acute angle, which is 0 to 9, below 0 to 90 degrees. And the right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees. And the obtuse angle of triangle, which is more than 90 but less than 180 degrees. It is obtuse angle. Straight angle, which is exactly 180 degrees. These are the angles. In the factors, usually we use all the factors till we get the prime numbers. This is the Pythagoras theorem, which is invented by Pythagoras. In this theorem, we will be dealing with the solutions like only with the right angle we will be dealing with, and it has a perpendicular base and a hypotenuse. In the form, we have the Pythagoras formula, which is a hypotenuse square is equals to a square plus perpendicular square. This is my maximum, which he is Srinivasa Ramanujan, who invented major formulas of the maths. He was born on 22 December 1887 and was died on 1920 April 26. On his birthday, we will be celebrating the Mathematics Day in India. This is which is your digestive system. This is a mind backup to know how your gut performs in your digestion. If your gut struggles very much to do digestion for you, right? So if you take a junk food, it struggles more and it might be destroyed sometimes. So if you take healthy food, it becomes easy and you will be healthy. And you take more fiber foods like the orange, sunlight.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sai Harsha.
Chia seeds.
We are from
70% of water, your body will be filled with 70% of water. Thank you, sir.